In this episode of Quarantine Quickies, Jessica fishtail braids my hair. Oh, it's so bright. Guys, Jess is my best friend. Sorry I'm blinding her, but look how pretty she is. Okay, she's gonna teach us how to fishtail. Okay. All right, I'm gonna try to record Jess is giving me a French braid.
So you have it divided into two, and then you grab a little chunk off the
bitty
end.
chunk.
And then you cross it over like a normal braid. And then you go to the other side, grab a little chunk, cross it over.
Are you blind? Do you think I got it? My jewels are falling off. I'm sweating. No?
Nope.
What about now?
Nope.
What about now?
Nope.
Now?
Nope.
Now?
Nope.
No?
You realize what angles are?
No. Wait, which side is it? You're not very nice.
A little chunk, cross it over.
This is amazing.
And you just keep doing that.
Don't ever stop. Just keep going. Like the Energizer Bunny. Wait, what is the theme song for the Energizer Bunny? Doesn't he have like a motto?
He just plays a drum.
But what the Energizer Bunny goes on and on and on? No, that's not it. You guys! Okay, you're seeing it first. She's gonna be famous. Darth is famous. Where's Darth? I'll edit him in. Is he over there? Darth's in the pod. There's this lighting's. Nike, just do it.
There you go.
What? What?
He's trying to get away from your damn camera.
Oh, look who made it in a quarantine quickie, Robert, in the okay guys, use code Rave-ready and you can save on these knockarounds. Hey, give me a good knockaround. Give me a thumbs up. Oh, you look like a model. Babe, will you put on will you put on the refraction glasses? They are right there in front of you too. Quarantine shots. Cause she's talented AF. Like, look at this. Whoa.
That one's not in it.
Fishtail.
That might actually be a good angle to actually see what's...
Who knows? What do y'all think? Y'all don't really get a vote because you're not here. Oh my God! What? 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 I've gone insane. Just, at least have a friend.
Yeah.
Thanks for sending help, y'all.
Yeah.
Y'all, is my double chin like out and my pimple? It's like all the things. Do you see how sweaty I am?
Okay, my face is breaking out too.
Do you like quarantine pimples? Okay, y'all get out of here. Stop. I have officially gone insane. So we're getting ready. We got some fake eyelashes, we got rubber bands, we've got glitter, we've got some glow in the dark face jewels. And I try to braid this back into my hair. This quarantining has taught me how to be uber creative. Like, Jess has been my mirror. Quarantine, camp out, corona, quarantine, braids yo in 2 minutes. We make things up as we go on the campsite, all right? Only this is a little rough. How does this look?
Yeah.
Is it somewhat even? I don't have a mirror.
Hold on. No, that one's much bigger.
Is it? I think one of them just is bigger. We might just have to deal with that. Don't be mean. When the camera's on?
Brandon's like, oh, I got you.
Let's see. Still too big? Is it not? Your face is not very
Well, I've tried to...
promising.
No, I think they're the same. They're about the same now.
Cool.
If you just pull... Yeah, there you go.
You guys, I am out of my mind, like literally. And Alice in Wonderland is on. It's like a godsend. I got my perler. This is so when life gives you coronavirus, Make your own electric forest in Shelby Meeman Forest. Also, stay tuned for a tutorial on how to get rave ready in 5 minutes because we are running out of daylight. Drunk and alone too. You'll have to kick him out again 3. Wake up in the bed in the morning. When you own him, you ain't getting over him. Everyone thinks I'm nuts. I am. This girl's gone mad. Also, how do y'all feel about Raver sweatpants? I think they're dope. The Rave Forest? Yeah. It's really gonna be quick.